Welcome to Hawaii. Good morning. We've officially started our Hawaii vacation. We're staying in Kona in an Airbnb and we're about to go swimming. Let's go. This is my outfit. It's 7 a.m. We're gonna go swim and then get ready for our adventure of the day. Hello? I'll give you a tour of the room. Me and my robe. And our balcony. Oh, and that is the ocean, you guys. Oh my gosh, we have a kitchen out here. Or a fridge. We can put some snacks. Time to go swim. Let's go.
How pretty. That's a good one.
Hey! Time to go on a helicopter. Are you excited?
Yeah. Oh, we're videoing?
Yeah.
I'm very excited.
I had to make sure it worked.
Yeah.
It's being weird. Camera's acting up.
We'll see you guys in a bit. Awesome. Aloha.
Gorgeous. I gotta go up this way. Look at that. Amazing. This is so awesome.
We're in the jungle and we just
private
landed.
view of this waterfall. And it's incredible.
We just landed in the forest jungle.
I cried.
So
That's how beautiful
You
it is.
cried?
I cried coming in.
Time to go pop a squat.
Yes, ma'am.
Like, how is no one else here?
There's no one else for miles.
Off to the bathroom. We're on Survivor.
This week on Love Island.
Yeah.
This mahi-mahi is so good. I mean, it's fresh.
Just got ready for dinner. I wanted to show you guys my outfit really quick because it's so cute. I'm wearing this MEJ flower clip. I'm not sure if I want to keep it in or not, but it's kind of cute. And my hair is so frizzy. I tried to curl it. This dress is from Aritzia. So cute. And then my shoes are these little flip-floppy heels from ASOS. And I'm obsessed. It's such a cute dinner outfit.
You're done? Yeah. You're full? Ready for bed? Got a whole steak coming.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That was every so
Yeah, there was.
Hi friends. It's Saturday morning. We're at the Rosewood Hotel. We're gonna get lunch / breakfast and walk around because I love seeing hotels and I'm so excited. And it's gonna be so pretty. And we have the whole day to ourselves, so we're gonna have a little date day. Woo! Yes. This place is so beautiful. It does not even look real. We're very lost. We just want to find breakfast. But we're on some random road in this marsh, lake, river. Such a pretty hotel. I think it's pretty new, but I just love hotels. What'd you get? Macaroni tacos. I got french fries because I already ate breakfast.
It's lunch.
I know. It's the view. Insane. Spicy? No?
You get a healthier 7.
It's actually kind of nice. Normally it's flat, but that time I came.
We decided to venture off and find ourselves a quiet little beach. There's really not much sandy beaches here. Turtle! Oh my goodness. Hi little man. Just sleeping, hanging out. Oh. Hello? Hello? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
So they're pretty big too, but quite a bit smaller than the females. Now guys, remember, they have no teeth, they have no stingers, they have no knives, and they have no guns. There's no way that they'll physically hurt you.
We're at a waterfall, as you saw. It's hot as heck.
Hi.
We're hiding in the shade. Get in there.
Okay. How's it going, Paul? You wanna go out there?
I haven't shown you guys the house yet. I'll walk you around, give you a little tour. If you go up, oh my god, I just tripped. Oh, if you go up these stairs, that's where Max and I are staying. And then down the stairs, we have this underneath, whoa, little living room gym situation, which we have not stepped foot in yet. I think this would be a bathroom. Oh, cool. Well, that's, I guess, I don't know what that is. This is, I think, a garage of some sort that they redid. But we want to watch a movie here tonight because we haven't used the space. And then, if you walk out, go down this pathway. You can go around this corner into the backyard, which is our favorite. Then we have another room in here, which is my little stepbrother's room with a little bathroom. It's so beautiful. It's like a little wellness retreat. I just walk around in my robe all day long. Let's go see what Max is up to. I'm exhausted. I don't know what it is. I think I'm just finally in relaxation mode. So I'm moving at like 2 miles per hour, but let's see what he's doing. Our room is the messiest by far. Whoa. Our room is so messy.
That's good.
Then we have this little balcony. Oh. Seating area. Ocean. So beautiful. Feels unreal. Like a photo. He's also lazy. What do you think? We have. Did we? We're waiting for dinner to finish, and then we're gonna eat and get back in the hot tub and watch a movie and fall asleep. Tomorrow's our last day.
That's me later.
Thank you. I appreciate you guys. I feel like you did.
Our Hawaii vacation has officially come to an end. Time to go back to our other Hawaii reality. Sad, but ready to get home to Oahu. But so sad to say goodbye to this view. So amazing. We had the best time. I am going to be posting a lot of things on TikTok with all of my Kona / Big Island recommendations. So if you are curious of any of the things we did, go check out my TikTok because I posted a lot on there, but I know I filmed a lot in this video, so hopefully you guys liked it. We had such a good trip. Big Island is definitely really slow and very different than any of the other islands I've been to. Definitely the slowest island I've ever been to, even Kauai, but it was so relaxing, so peaceful. Loved it. So that's it for the Hawaii Big Island vlog. Hopefully you liked it, and subscribe for more Hawaii content. Love you. Bye.